Hi and welcome to this short tutorial on how to use the media player in DOTEbase. So DOTEbase is basically piggybacking on DOTE for the media player option in DOTEbase. So in order to play the video, you need to open the timeline panel, and then you of course also need to use the media player panel. When you open the timeline panel, you can see that you have different options here. You can play the video. And you can start and stop and return. You can go forward and a little bit faster. So these are like the basic functions in the media player options right here. These are clickable. Of course, we recommend that you learn the shortcuts for playing the video. So on a Mac, for playing the video and pausing the video, it's Command N. And you can see the waveform here is the player on the waveform is moving along as we play the video. Also, you can use the shortcut for play and stop and return, which is Shift, Command and N. And you see this blue marker in the window, and then it will return to that specific point after you hit it again. Also, you can go into loop mode, and it is Command, Option and N. And you see this yellow field in the waveform being marked, and then we enter loop mode. Yes, and as it is, the DOTEbase is looking for the video setup in DOTE. So if you have selected 2D video or 360 video, that is something that you do in the settings in DOTE. If we look at the media player down here, we can force DOTEbase to follow the video cues of that we have created in DOTE, and we can look at the save view from DOTE. So you have different options here, and you can also change the way you view the video in DOTEbase, and that will not be ported back to DOTE. So this is like a free view where you can do whatever you want to in DOTEbase, but it will not be linked directly back to DOTEbase. So you can either use the saved versions from DOTE, you can follow video cues assigned in DOTE, and then it will change during the playback of the video, and that's basically the things that you can do with the media player down here. The final thing that we want to show you is that you can change the waveform selection. So if you want to have that from the WAV file in this case, or you want the audio source to follow another, not the primary video, then you can change that up here. So you have a wide range of options here for looking and listening to other, primarily listening to other audio and video files. So that is also an option for the media player. But all of it is linked to the timeline panel and the media player panel, and that's where you find your media controls in DOTEbase. So please remember all the things that you have learned from DOTE, and you can directly port that into DOTEbase, so you can start working on your audiovisual data right away. Please stay tuned and follow our YouTube channel in order to learn more about DOTEbase and DOTE.